What's up, YouTube? Yeah, hope all doing good. Welcome back to our channel, South Indian Recipes. Today, we are with a special medicinal dish that is used for cough and cold with quail meat. So, let's start.
Our ingredients are around 1 kg of quail meat. This is curry leaf, then small onion, garlic, caraway seed, or in India it's called as jeera. This is ginger, clove, cinnamon, and black pepper.
Before start cooking, we have 4 pieces with these ingredients and we have some other ingredients as well.
The first one is mainly with black pepper and cumin. So we could not able to make it as a paste with the black pepper and cumin. So we can add 1 or 2 onion along with, if you like a good smell, you can add coriander and clove. Okay. The second paste is garlic paste, ginger paste, and onion paste. These are our 4 pastes, and this is coriander powder, chili powder, red chili powder, and turmeric powder, mustard. Okay, then salt, coconut oil, and 1 kg of meat. The main thing, we need to taste this meat with these ingredients. Okay, so first we need to add around 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, then a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Okay. Yeah. Then we need to add around half teaspoon of salt. Okay. Then we need to mix it. Till mix is ready, then we need to add the paste we have already made with black pepper and cinnamon seed. Okay. So 1, 2, yeah, this is around 100 gram. Mix it up. Okay. So our mix is almost ready. Add around 3 teaspoon of coconut oil. Once it is heated well, we need to add around half teaspoon of mustard. Okay. Next, curry leaves. Then we need to add around 1, 2, yeah, it's around 100 gram. Our onion is deep fried onion and curry. Next, we need to add garlic paste around 50 grams and ginger paste around 25 grams. Okay, we need to this is almost ready. Okay, take around 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we need to add our main ingredient, quail meat. Okay, quail meat mixed with our paste and other ingredients. Okay, so we need to mix it up again, and we need to keep it for around 2 to 3 minutes to get it packed well, and it is ready now. This paste we need to add around 1 liter of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of pepper and jeera paste. We are going to add this 1 liter to this. Since we have added 1 liter of water to boil it up, we need to add around half teaspoon of salt again. Okay, and just mix it up. We are getting a good smell. Yeah. Wow. Have waited around 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see like it's boiled up well, and you can spicy pieces as well. Okay, keep this curry in gravy manner, or you can fry it up. That's up to you. Yeah, it's almost ready. Finally, before switch off the flame, we need to add a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder on the apple. Mix it up. To get a good smell, you can add around 1 teaspoon. Yeah, around 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is the final topping. Yeah. So our food is ready. Move the baked food to the bowl, and we can add 2 to 3 curry leaf. Okay, just mix it up. Okay, now our dish is ready. This plate is ready with rice. This is Kerala white rice. Okay, so you can add your prepared food on the top of the rice, and it's time to taste. Let's have. It's really spicy and good to use as a medicine for your cough.
Please try it in your home. For any suggestions, please comment, and for future updates, subscribe our channel.